It's interesting. There's a lot of challenges, I think, for solid tumors in particular. We would like to be able to replicate the successes we've seen with the liquid cancers, leukemias and lymphomas. But it's a much different animal, I think, trying to deal with the localized environment. It's the antigen or the target that we're typically after isn't available systemically. So there's definitely things that we have to do differently to be able to try to achieve some success. I think currently in the landscape there's some interesting technologies out there, but I think it's going to be a cross-section of different technologies. There's probably not going to be one magic bullet that is able to get us where we need to go. ICT or Innovative Cellular Therapeutics is taking their approach, and some of the others, most advanced probably is Iovance with their TIL therapy nearing approval these days. But their response rates are still an improvement, but not anywhere near the liquid cancer realm right now. So some of the challenges are going to be finding the right targets. It's really hard to find good targets for the solid tumors. In general, we would like to see tumor-specific targets, but I think there may need to be some consideration of targets that are on normal tissues as well, as long as there's not significant health impacts to the on-target off-tumor effects. I think some of the more interesting technologies are combining multiple approaches, including checkpoint inhibitors that are out there, along with the cellular therapies, or they're relying on sort of bridging molecules that will allow targeting across multiple targets, multiple markers. So those are pretty interesting as well, and I think we're seeing some leveraging of normal biology in the T cell subsets, be they NK cells or gamma delta. So those are all very intriguing approaches that I think can eventually lead to what we would like to say is a managed immune response that does what we want it to do without causing major side effects.